Welcome to Learn a Lot. In this video, we will create a school website in a simple and easy way. No coding knowledge required. First, log into WordPress using your admin username and password. And go to Themes in Appearance. Click on Add New and type Accelerate in the search box. Install and activate it. Click on Get Started with Accelerate button. Click on Demo Import for Accelerate theme. Make sure we are importing demo in fresh WordPress site. Open our website in another window to view the live preview of the theme. We will use 3 WordPress plugins in this website. One Elementor, Hues Gallery, Testimonial plugin. Our plugins downloads are given in the description. We will install all the plugins now. Next, click on Appearance and Customize to customize the theme. This is menu bar. This is slider. This is TG image service. This is call to action widget. And this is featured widget. The recommended image size are given in the description. We'll create some pages for this website. Academics, admissions, facilities. These pages will be linked in the image service widget. First, we will create academics page. Come to the WordPress dashboard. Click on Pages. Click on Add New button. We'll edit the page with Elementor. Type the title of the page and click on Edit with the Elementor. Here I am adding tabs to the page. Type tabs in this and drag that to your page. We can add multiple tabs here, like kindergarten, class 1, class 2. Change featured image here. Just click on Settings button in the Elementor. If you are not satisfied with the page layout, change the page layout. Click on Publish button to publish the page. We will create remaining admissions and facilities pages. We have to change featured widget pages. First we'll create galleries and then we'll create pages and we'll add the galleries to the pages. To create gallery, select Hues IT Gallery in WordPress menu. Click on Add New Gallery button. Type gallery name. Select the View as Gallery. Click on Add Images button. Upload or select the images. Click on Save Gallery button. Create 4 galleries for our 4 pages. Now we will create 4 pages for the 4 galleries. These pages will be linked to featured widget in the home page. To add a gallery to a page, create a page using Elementor. Type gallery in Elements. and drag and drop the Hues IT Gallery widget to the page. Select the gallery from the drop-down. We will change the name of the website, our school name. We will remove all these menu items. Edit the slider to change the images and text. Click on slider 1 and select the image. Type the title of the slide. We can change the description of the slide. We will change all the slider images. Academics, admissions, facilities. Now we'll select the pages in featured widget. Lab, library, gardening, play zone. We will remove categories widget and add parent testimonial widget. Now come back to the WordPress dashboard and create a testimonial. Type the testimonial title and type the description. Type designation and publish the testimonial. I will create another testimonial. Now create shortcode for the testimonial. Click on add new and type shortcode title. In layout section, make sure to select layout as a slider, display per row as one column, and in field selection, uncheck all the fields except testimonial and designation and click on publish. Now come back to the theme customization and remove the categories widget and add testimonial widget and select the shortcode. Now we'll remove recent post and add text widget and add our social network links in that widget. Next, we will modify it to contact. We will remove footer menu bar. Publish the page. We will change call to action widget from dashboard. Come to the dashboard of WordPress and click on widget in appearance menu. Select the business sidebar and click call to action widget and change. We will remove all the pages which are not required for our school website. We will change this menu items, create new menu name and set as primary menu. Add pages to the menu. We will add some pages to the submenu items for the facilities menu. Save the menu. We can change about us page. In contact page, our theme template already added a contact form. If you want to change form, we can go to the Everest form in WordPress dashboard, edit the form and we can add some more fields to the form. Click on settings icon to change the email address. Our school website is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.